The quadruped pelvic tilt is an easy way to improve motor control of disassociating or separating the movement of your pelvis from your hips, from your low back. Here's how you perform it. You're gonna get onto your hands and knees with your arms directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. You're gonna keep everything stable and keep it from moving, except for your pelvis. What you're gonna do is you're gonna arch your pelvis forward, and then you're gonna tuck your pelvis underneath, flattening the low back. You're gonna arch your back and flatten your back. As you can tell, the upper portion of my back is not moving. I'm only moving from my pelvis. If you can picture your pelvis being a bucket of water, tilting it forward is going to spill water out the front, and tilting it backwards will spill water out the back. So here's what it looks like in this exercise, is you're going to spill water out the front, tilting down, and then spill water in the back. And you're just going to repeat. Arch your back, flatten your back, and only move from the pelvis. That's how you perform the quadruped pelvic tilt exercise.